Dear student, today my subject is geography and topic is forest of India. So let's understand forest of India. A large area of land covered with trees is known as forest. Apart from trees, bushes, shrubs, wildflowers and mosses are also a part of forest. Forests are home to wildlife. Forestry in India is a significant rural industry and a major environmental resource. India is one of the 10 most forest rich countries of the world. Together, India and 9 other countries account for 67% of the total forest are of the world, right? Student, we will understand how much useful of forest. Forests are an important and essential natural resource as they provide us with many useful things. Number one, they provide us with nuts, berries, and fruits. Number two, they provide shelter to wildlife and fodder to animals. Number three, they provide us with a hard wood and soft wood, which is used for making furniture, paper, plywood, and matchsticks are some other useful things, right? Now, another things that we get from the forest are like number four, more than 40% of the fuel of the world is supplied by forest. Number five, forests provide medicinal plants and herbs. The trees of rainforest also provide medicine. Number six, they provide product like gum, rubber, resin, cork, and camphor. Right? Now, my dear student, we will understand type of forest in India. There are 5 types of forest in India. Number one, evergreen forest. Number two, deciduous forest. Number three, desert forest. Number four, tidal forest. Number five, coniferous forest. Number one, evergreen forest. This forest remains green throughout the year as all trees do not shed leaves at the same time. These forests are found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, slope of Western Ghat, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Trees are found in this forest: rosewood, sandalwood, bamboo, teak, ebony, and mahogany trees. Number two, deciduous forest. In this forest, trees shed their leaves annually. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. These are found in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Trees are found here: teak, sal, sandalwood, bamboo, and sesame like trees are found in this forest. Number three, desert forest. The trees of this forest are scattered, short, and thorny. These are also known as thorn forest. These forests are mainly found in places with less rainfall, such as Rajasthan and in the part of Gujarat and Punjab. Trees are found like a kikar, babul, and date plant. All these type of the plants here found. Right, student? Number four, tidal forest. The trees of this forest can survive in fresh as well as salty water of the sea. Due to marshy land, the root of the trees tends to come out of the surface. West Bengal has the biggest stretch of mangrove forest known as Sundarban. Sundarban get their name from the Sundari trees going here. Right, student? Number five, coniferous or mountain forest. The coniferous forests are covered with tall, cone shaped trees which have needle like leaves. The needle shaped leaves of these trees help the snow to slide during winter. These trees survive in cold temperature. These are found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Himachal Pradesh. Trees here are found like pine, fir, oak, deodar, and prowse. Like this type of trees are found here. Now, dear student, I going to discuss about the conservation of forest. to conserve the forest in Uttarakhand. The Chipko movement was started in 1974 by Sundarlal Bhogona. The people protected the trees by clinging to them and not allowing the woodcutters to cut them. Right? Now, every year, projects are undertaken by schools, colleges, and other institutions to plant new saplings. The government and many other organizations try to promote the importance of growing more trees. During monsoon, every year, Bono Mahotsava is celebrated. On this day, people plant trees in town and villages, right?